Good evening, all. Good evening, all. Am I audible?
Hi, good evening.
Good evening. So, before starting demo, just 5 minutes. Can you intro yourself, everyone? Your name and you are from which professional or you are studying? Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Hi, this is Dandapani. Actually, I am working in HR. So, in my organization, I think they have implemented a success factor. So, I want to learn that success factor now. So, in my career, I think next level we have to proceed for the success factor.
Okay. So, you are a consultant or like you
No,
are
I'm working in HR. I'm doing end user.
Okay, fine. So next. Anyone? Just unmute.
Yeah, hi. Actually, I was working as a HR previously, currently on career break, and I'm looking for a restart so that I would like to learn success factor so that it will be beneficial for me.
Okay, good.
Hi, my name is Rupia Sasnam. Am I audible?
Yeah, yes, you are audible.
Okay. Yeah, I'm working in the SAP Success Factors, but I was working in a different module like performance and goal management, and also succession planning and career development planning. And I like to learn more about the Employee Central, so I'm about to learn about that.
Good. Okay. Tohid,
My name is Tawid. Actually, I bring almost 10 years experience in HR operations.
Okay.
So I have my friends who is working in SAP labs on this domain. So they have given me a, idea to upgrade myself into technology. So since I have worked on as an end user for employees, for RCM module, I
Okay.
just wanted to upgrade myself as an consultant level.
Good. Anu, Lavanya.
Sorry, we are in row mode, sir. Lavanya.
Okay, fine. Okay, so myself Karthik, I have a total 17 years of experience into SAP and success factor into HCM, human capital management. Okay, so I'm a certified success factor employee central consultant. So today we will see the demo. Let me start. So once finish the demo, you can ask your questions.
Okay, sure.
And it's good to have for entire participants who is from a HR background. That is very well. So everyone will have an idea on all the modules. Is my screen visible?
Yes, right.
Yeah.
Okay. So what is success factor? Sorry. Anyone? Usually my demo on my classes will be a question and answers only. So that will be very benefit to the people who learning SAP success factor. So I know everyone, the success factor is the HRMS tool. Okay, it's a HR system and it's a cloud-based system. And SAP is a in-house premises system. And now success factor is a cloud and SAP took a success factor. Okay. And in success factor, we are having many modules like RCM, onboarding, payroll, performance, employee development, and like goals, benefits. It's many modules we are having, but currently we are going to see the base module, which is employee central. Okay, this employee central is the base for all the module, which is interlink related. And why companies use success factor is it automates HR process, okay, and reduces manual work. In SAP also we can do, but compared to SAP in success factor and other modules, other HR systems also, success factor is very how to say, it's like automate friendly. Okay, I will not say it's user friendly, it's automate friendly. With the front end system on the backend success factor database. Okay. And success factor is other HCM tool is the success factor is a cloud SaaS tool, and it's a very SAP ERP and payroll integration, again SAP ERP. So as I mentioned, these are the modules which is interlinked with the SAP success factor. Okay, like recruiting on onboarding, learning, employee central, succession and development, compensation, time tracking, performance and goals, reporting and analytics, and jam and work zone for HR. Okay, these all the modules which is interlinked related with the SAP success factor employee central. And what this employee central do, that everyone knows, because everyone is from HR background. So it is a purely employee master data. Okay, this system, this employee central is a purely for a employee master data only. Okay, it will maintain employee records and core HR data, and it will maintain the hierarchy of the structure, company structures, and it will update time management, like a time for employee only life cycle, and it will track and handle time management, payroll integration, everything. It is purely from a SAP, and now it is in SuccessFactor, so which is thoroughly for an employee only. Okay, this Employee Central, and this is for SuccessFactor Employee Central only, not Employee Central with payroll. That is a different model, but base is the Employee Central. And in Employee Central, we are having a many objects, okay, like a foundation object, metadata framework object, and corporate data model, corporate succession data model, and like a succession data model, and country specific succession data model. Okay, like that we are having many more models and objects and portals also. And this foundation objects is in SAP, how we will call it as a personal administration, like legal entities, division, departments, position, everything. But in SAP, position will come under organizational management. But in SuccessFactor, everything is coming under foundation object, which is the HRIS elements. So these are all types of foundation objects which we are going to create and configure in SuccessFactor Employee Central. So legal entity is nothing but the company, and business unit is the part of the legal entity. Which unit it is, like legal entity, I will take some example, Grow More Technologies. So under Grow More Technologies, I have two business unit, Hyderabad, Chennai, or some other division. And division is same. Hyderabad and Chennai, and department, HR department, sales department, many other departments, finance department, and location. And in SuccessFactor, job classification and position plays a major role, but everything will be integrated with job classification only in Employee Central. Okay, so job classification is the major role having more in SuccessFactor. And pay grade. So, which I mentioned, metadata framework. This is the custom framework, okay, custom object. In foundation object, we cannot, like whatever we are having a standard object only, we can use in foundation object. If you want to do customize of any info types, because in SuccessFactor, there is no info types. If you want to custom any foundation data objects or any portler, then we have to use this MDF. Okay, and it will and this metadata configuration without coding. Okay, and in SuccessFactor Employee Central, we will not do that much of codings. Okay, only we will use custom objects as well as the business rules for the UI integration. So this foundation object is MDF, which I have explained you. The object supports standard HR structure, and which support custom extension. Okay. And ESS and MSS, you know very well. Employee can update his personal data, his address, his request, leave request, and everything as per the employee individual information. And MSS is the manager, approve employees leave request, employees efforts, and employee shift, and employee any what to say, any type of billings also for employees in the manager self services. So employee data, personal information and contact details, job information and employment data. In SuccessFactor, we in the SuccessFactor Employee Central, we will configure most of the configuration related to employee data only and workflow. So if you see workflow, what is the workflow is between the manager and the employee. But in SuccessFactor, we are having 2-level approver, 3-level approver, 4-level approver, and 5-level approver also we are having in SuccessFactor. Like first 2-level will be, first level will be manager, and your second level approver will be manager's manager, and your third level approval will be some contributor. So contributor will not approve your workflow, he will contribute the data. And the fourth level approver will be CC, okay, CC role, some major role it will place. And role-based permission. Okay, here the role-based permission is nothing but like a admin or user will act like enable the role for the employee. Suppose you are an employee and you are a manager. Suppose employee playing a role here. Uh, Employee can see his own data only. Okay, but manager can see employees data also. That is not related to personal data. Manager can see, manager can edit employees record also, and HR manager also edit employees record, like that role access. And this role based permission is the major part in success factor. And event reason is like events means what we are doing: hiring, promotion, transfer, termination, retirement, like that. Whatever we are performing the action for employees, that is called events. And event reason is like I'm hiring an employee. For hiring an employee, whether it should be a new hire or it's like lateral hire, like that. That reason, no, that is the event reason. For termination is leaving, abscond, like that. So many event reason we are having. And promotion is your salary change or job change, data change, like that. For those and not event reason. And pick list, here pick list they are using for search option. If you want to create any search option for any one minute. Hello. Am I audible, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
So Vani, please tell what should be like. I'm already taking the class in the session.
Yeah, okay. Audible, sir.
Yeah. I'm getting call from them. Okay, see in pick list, I have mentioned already in the foundation object location, right? In location, if you are predefining any 4 or 5 location, we can use pick list and we can configure. Pick list, normally pick list will give you the drop down values. Okay, so it includes standard and custom pick list also. Whatever the standard and whatever custom we want, that also we can create using pick list. So portlets which we are calling as like your personal data, your job information, your compensation information. I think some noisy. Can you go on mute? Sorry. Thank you. So portlets is employee information, employee personal data, job information. Job information is which employee is having a job level code, is band, and his designation. Those things will come under job information. Personal data is sorry, employee first name, last name, birth, country. These things will come under employee personal information. And compensation information is employees salary component like basic, HRA, allowances, medical, etc. And one more thing is like succession and some more portlets also we are having, like compensation, recurring pay, non-recurring pay, like that portals we are having. And time information, like planned working schedule, holiday calendar. These things are, we will call it as a portlets in success factor. So this is the success factor employee central. Okay, so this is what employee central does. Okay, it's a core HR, R chat, life cycle, and time and payroll. And why company use SF. We'll just go through this. Okay, and you can ask questions now. And how workflow will flows from employee to manager, how it will trigger, and when manager approval, manager will get notification and the employee also will get notification. If a manager is not getting any response, they can escalate after 3 days, 5 days, 10 days, like that we can configure. And the workflow completion, like a role-based permission, HR admin, manager, employee payroll specialist, what is their access, what they can give the information. Employee means employee can see themselves only, employee cannot see others, other employee also. Okay, but HR manager can see managers, employee, everything, but HR admin cannot see themselves, like his or her own data. Only one person can see entire person like data. Who is the person? Is a consultant. Okay, so consultant will have all access to view all the informations in the system. Who is configuring? Right, so all related to permission, everything, and event reason which I mentioned, hire, promotion, transfer, pay change. And in success factor we are having two system. One is provisioning system, another one is instance system. Okay, so provisioning system is, if you are a certified success factor consultant, then you will get that provisioning access. You can do the configuration, or you can do any changes related to your requirement. You can access those systems. So those systems you will get from your partner age company. Like partner age company is your success factor, SAP success factor, and they are joined with just with your current company. So both company will join together and they will create one S user ID for you if you are a certified consultant. Then only after you are getting that S user ID, then only you can access that provisioning system. If you are a non-certified success factor consultant, you can use only configuration for instance. Instance means I will show you the success factor system. Okay, this is the success factor system, demo system. Okay, so this system can access by certified consultant as well as non-certified consultant. So you can ask your question or any query.
Sir, this provisioning instance, just can you make me understand, sir? For example, like
Okay.
the person who has only 2 to 3 years of experience, and if he's not certified, if he wants to do any changes in the provisioning, so will he has to get certified or not? Why? Because I have seen people who is wants to do any changes in provisioning, and they are taking the user credentials of somebody who's certified, and they're doing accordingly.
So that
in a
is
real scenario,
see, that is a company specific. Okay, normally the standard procedure is only the certified consultant only will get provisioning system access. Okay, if a person is non-certified, means they will not get that system access. Might be they are using other credential only, you are saying, right? So other credential means they are a certified user, right?
yes, sir.
So if you are a certified consultant and I am a non-certified consultant, and I can access the provisioning system like on your login only, on not on my login.
Okay.
Okay, if I tomorrow any audit anything will come, no, your login only will come in audit log report. Okay. Normally, provisioning system access will not give for a non-certified consultants.
Sir, most of the work, most of the, the consultant will work on only the instance, right? In the real-time scenarios.
Yes. So all the consultants, even certified consultants also will work on this instance only. Okay.
Provisioning, whenever we need any other critical changes, that time only we will touch it, right?
Correct.
Okay.
Not everyone will get.
Yeah. That is whoever get the certification and allow the SAP and whatever the own company, they will allow, then only we can change.
Correct. Suppose you are working in ABC company, so ABC company will join venture with partners. Sorry.
No, allow the permission, whatever the changes we have to discuss, we have to update the gap analysis, then only.
Yeah. So you have to send mail to partner H company, that is SAP SuccessFactor, and they will create one S user ID for your company and for your email ID, your company email ID. Okay. So they will create one S user ID login. So based on that S user ID login only, you have to access that provisioning system.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what about that SAP? We have above coding, right? So here is, I think you told like that SAS.
This is SAP,
here
cloud system.
Yeah, that is okay. But whenever we need any other condition or any other things, where we will do that. That is for.
You have to do business rule. You have to create business rule.
Okay. Business rule means, I think we will create in MDF.
It's depending upon your requirements, sir. Suppose in some any scenario like global, you are creating some component, okay, recurring payment component globally, okay, which is not allowing to use in standard procedure. In foundation portlet or a foundation object, which is standard, it's not allowing, means that time you will create a custom MDF. Okay. So these are all business rules. Okay. So auto accrual, like 15 days accrual rule, compensation plan, position code, maternity leave. How we are doing in SAP, right? In SAP, we normally use in a schema for time management, absences.
Correct. That is,
Yeah, so like that here they will use a business rule. Here there is no schema, there is no PCR and all. Okay, so not that much. But compared to SAP, this SuccessFactor is having a business rule and custom MDF. That is also which is more challenging.
Okay, but that is a normal consultant. They will do that rule. Otherwise, yes, I think we need the CHAS program.
No. EC consultant only will create rule.
Okay.
And in time management, any time of employee is there, a time of consultant is there for him. You want to create any rule for his requirement, then he will do. So all the consultant will have access for business rule. Depending upon their requirement, business requirement, they will create.
So in this standard rule, we will modify that, right?
Correct.
Okay.
Sir, can you give us the real-time scenario, sir? How the data will flow into the success factors? Let's say, for example, there is a new hiree, right? Where the company is not purchased the RCM module. Now they have only PMGM and the EC module. So can you tell me, sir, how in real-time basis, like how the employee, the candidate data will flow into the system, and then it will move forward for creation of employee ID or something?
Okay. So in the current scenario, RCM means what? Onboarding recruitment, which is they are doing browsing or anything automatically, which is hiring the employee, right? So if you are taking any manual, suppose you are seeing my screen, this is an employee profile, okay, where I have mentioned that these benefit, personal data, job information, compensation, these are all portlets, okay, which you have seen in SAP, PA, OEM, time management, HR, payroll, performance, benefits, like that. Okay. So here, these are all portlets. We will call it as a portlet. So in SuccessFactor, if you want to create a league, like you have to create a hiring needs, you have to first configure all the related, we will not call it as info types, port labs. We have to configure all the port labs, like a legal entity, business unit, which I have shown you in the PPT. Okay, so we have to define all these foundation object in the system. Okay, once we define everything, once we have created our company, our business unit, division, department, location, position, we have to create position, we have to create a job classification and pay grade and pay level, pay range, compensation, like recurring, non-pay recurring, everything we have to define first. Then only we have to do the hiring. Okay, here.
Sir, here, sir, what I believe is, let's say this recruitment management module, no, where the candidate will go to the company career page, and he will apply any certain position. From there, the interview process will happen, right? After that selection, it will flow to the employee central. Correct.
Sir, that's what, sir. First, they will do hiring. Okay. So in the onboarding recruitment model, it will be integrated with the employee central. Once you do the onboarding from your tool, it will automatically flow through the employee personal individual information. This is one employee, sir. WH user 35 is a one employee. Okay. So once you recruited from your onboarding, no, it will come to and store in this personal data. Personal data, what is personal data? What is his name, first name, last name? Okay, employee information, everything, and job information. In job information, you will create job level code and position code. Okay, based on those two only, you can hire the employee.
Okay.
And you have to configure the time management.
But in this, whatever you are telling, we have to create a position ID in the profile. Then
Yes.
we have to give it to recruitment. The recruitment they are given the same position ID, right?
Yes, same as SAP only.
Yeah, okay. But as usual, whatever the recruitment they are doing, so we have to get the position ID, that job ID, we have to give it to recruit.
Yes.
Okay. So all procedure are same only, but only thing here we can create only for the profile, not for any other particular separate job, separate position, separate not doing.
Your job and position will be differently. You have to create. Okay. Here, and one more thing is normally in SAP, once you hire, no, system will automatically trigger the personal ID for employees.
Correct.
But in SuccessFactor, person ID, we will call it as a person ID, not a partner. Person ID is the user ID. Okay, person ID and user ID are same. That is called as partner, employee ID. So your system, if you want, system want to give, automatically system will give. Otherwise, if you want to give yourself, that also you can give.
Okay, customized partner.
Yeah, customized in SuccessFactor. But in SAP, we have to define number, range, interval, everything, numKR and all. Then only it will flow from those things. But here there is nothing. Okay. Here system itself shows what is the next employee ID when you are hiring.
Okay, but bulk PS number option is also available in the SuccessFactor, right?
Yes.
Okay.
How about others? Any query? Any questions?
Here we have that bypass rule.
Can you explain which?
Yeah, what about that? In PMS, I think PMS process, I think whatever you are telling, that the relationship we have to maintain here, right? But some of the company have the different location, right? So different location, work location is different. Okay, that time I think is immediate superior is in another domestic location. In case you are going to on-site means, the on-site is different location. That time we need assign that domestic location. Then we need the bypass table, right?
Sir, hello. Your voice not clear, sir.
Voice is cracking little bit,
Yeah.
but I can understand your question. See, in success factor, everything is based on the CMR approval only, CMR process only.
Okay. There is no
Okay.
bypass option, right?
Yeah. One CMR team validate and they will see your demo, whatever you have installed, how your business requirement works. That each and everything you have to give demo before you are moving to the live system or production system.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Yeah. So once CMR CAB, okay, CAB is the person, CAB is the separate team in CMR. Once CMR approval, based on the CMR approval, CAB team only will port those changes to the production. That too on Friday weekend. Okay, weekend, that Friday evening only they will port.
Okay.
And in success factor, we are having monthly freeze. Every month freeze system will be.
Sir,
So
as
cannot-
we are from non-tech background,
Okay.
how good we have to be, learn the XML coding, sir? Because I have seen XML coding also involves where it has close to 35,000 rows, 35,000 plus rows. So to be get well versed with XML. So what exactly as a non-tech person has to do, sir?
Sir, as I already mentioned that the success factor employee central is for a functional consultant. Okay. Only functional consultant can play a major role here compared to technical persons. Okay. So technical persons normally they will do integration with the success factor. They will do integration with API or OData or any third-party system like CPI, BTP like that. But mostly, whatever the configuration you are doing, you will be a functional consultant. And the XML code also, I can show you XML also. In XML, we are having coding as well as normal table wise also. You can do configuration based on the table wise. Okay. You don't want to go to coding. If you don't know coding, you can learn in XML table wise. Okay, see, you are telling this. No, these are all codings.
Yes,
A
sir.
lot of
Yes, sir.
codings. Now I am very new to this success factor or coding. Also, I don't know. So how I will configure? No, you just select table view, sir. Okay, in the table view, it will show you the entire data. What you are going to configure, how it will be work. What is the foundation object? What is the label? Under this location group, what are the HRIS field we are going to configure? So everything here it will come, sir. Suppose you want to go to coding, just double click, okay, or just select here and go to source. So it will take you to the coding which where you have selected in the table.
Okay. Sir, for example, I want one. I mean, the candidate mail ID has to be mandated. Okay. So in that case, we have to give, right, like in the coding, like true or false.
Sorry,
True or false something. So true or false is something which has to be given in the
mandatory.
coding, right?
So email ID only you cannot mention the email ID. Okay, only email ID. That field you can mention, sir.
Field, sir.
Yeah,
That field I want mandatory. That means in table also can we do, sir, like that?
See, yeah, but in table, no, only pick list only you cannot create. For pick list creation, you have to go to source and you have to type here. That once the class will start now, that I will show you. Okay. But apart from pick list creation, whatever you want to give, the status should be false means I will put false. Okay. Then when you are going to the UA, right, instance. So wherever you are going, you are seeing the status that this field is not mandatory.
Okay.
Okay, you don't want to update the status. If it is true, then you have to update.
Okay.
Yeah. Any other guys? Any other apart from Dandabani and Togir and one more guy. Sorry, I don't know his name. So Robia.
So here we are this session only for the employee central, right?
Yes, sir. Employee Central end-to-end scratch. From scratch to end-to-end, I will teach you Employee Central, and I will show you overview of time management. Like in time management, how to configure holiday calendar and planned working schedule. Okay, those things. And onboarding and recruitment also, it's an overview only. And payroll, already any of we will cover this time management payroll part in the compensation and time management portlets. Okay, so here the major module which I am covering is Employee Central for Employee Master Data end-to-end.
Okay.
And here organization management, which we are seeing the structure, those things we will create here. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Sir, this
Sir.
functionality, I mean, the complete functionality is similar, sir, like SAP HCM, personal administration, time management, and then payroll management. That is on premises, and this is on cloud. But what most of the thing is you are telling like how the functionality looks like in the SAP HCM.
Correct. Yes.
Both are same or how it is, sir?
Both are same, but some specifically compared to SAP, you cannot access all the all the part okay, which is related to S4 HANA system, right?
Sir.
Okay, in SAP CATS DB you have here CATS DB table
No,
and
sir.
all.
No, sir. I'm not here.
Okay. Okay. CATS DB table is for CATS. Okay. CATS means cross application timesheet. Okay. So those things we cannot access in SuccessFactors, sir. So for doing those things, whichever the portlets or whichever the functionality we are not able to access in SAP when it is coming to SuccessFactor, there we have to integrate with the front end system and the back end system. Like from SAP, we can keep it. Suppose your data migration. Okay, your existing system is S4 HANA, and you are migrating from SAP to SuccessFactor means that time only standard thing only you can available in SuccessFactor. So rest of the things you cannot avail from SuccessFactor. So that time what you can do is you have to keep your SAP system and you have to do some integration with SuccessFactor. Okay. Suppose if you take one scenario, I will tell you one example. If you take manager MSS, manager self-service, when manager approving the employee efforts, okay, that is billing, is some employee working under project, and employee is billable. So now manager is billing. So that time what will happen? Now whatever manager approve, those data will go to our finance table. First CATS DB table, then finance table it will go. But in SuccessFactor, there is no CATS DB table and there is no related table also in SuccessFactor. So what they will do, they will existing system, they will keep as a CATS DB and they will derive the data in SuccessFactor. They will create some related fields which is similar to CATS DB table, SAP table, and they will create and they will integrate with this CATS DB table and they will automate. Okay.
Okay.
So most of the scenario, the concept wise, it is same, sir. If you take any tool, Oracle or any Workday or Dayforce or this SAP SuccessFactor, the concept wise it is same only. Okay, only the tool is different. How we are going to access and how we are going to define.
To get on to technical career. So what?
Your voice is cracking. Sorry.
Sir, what I'm saying is to get onto SAP platform, one module is enough, sir, for the consultant. As of now, in the current market, how
So
it
in the
is?
current market, the base for a success factor is employee central. Based on the employee central only, you can learn employee central with payroll, employee central with the time off, employee central with onboarding recruitment. Okay, everything. But the base knowledge you should have, which is who is coming from a normal non-HR background or a normal HR background. Because in HR background, whoever coming, no, they know each and every concept. They will have some idea also how we are hiring an employee. So what employee requires, what are the individual information we will update for employee. So if you relate with yourself, no, you will get to know all the concept. Only one thing is, if you are thorough on the concept and if you know how to configuration in success factor, then it is good for you. And there is a strong market also in the job, like a job market. Okay, for employee central and employee central with the time off and employee central payroll. Payroll is always there, time and payroll. But in success factor, around 26,000 jobs in employee central. Okay.
Okay.
And
So
if you
this
are a
employee
certified
central,
consultant,
sir.
because they will prefer certified consultants.
Okay. So, sir, I mean, this employee central covers time management and payroll also, default D, right?
How it will cover is, it will cover employee part only, sir. Suppose the
Okay.
compensation portlet we have to create, means we will create HRA basic those components.
Right.
Okay, and we will group them. Okay, group those components under component group. This is like payroll. For time management, okay. For time management, I will show you how to configure holiday calendar and how to create a work schedule rule, how it will work for employees.
Okay.
Sir?
Yeah.
Hello? Okay, sir. Yeah, sir. Yeah, I got cleared about this doubt. Even I'm belongs to HR background around 8 years, but I'm new for SAP, so SAP. So is this class enough for me to survey this one?
Sir, normally if you take any course, no, class will be good, and how, why we are going for classes to see how they are configuring, how the system is working. But
Yes, okay.
when you are practicing each and every day regularly and you are thorough on your concept, you can be, sir. I will guarantee
Ah,
you.
okay.
You have
But
to,
the
yeah, you have to clear on
means
your concept first. And
concept, okay.
you have to do the regular homework. Homework means regular day use. Okay, every day you have
They
to use the system.
okay.
Okay,
Ah,
then definitely based on this class you can survive in the market. I can guarantee.
so, yeah, okay. So, but mostly we have to focus on employee central. That is an important concept.
Yeah, it's a base for
Base,
success.
okay. Base for success factor. Yes, okay, thank you.
Sir, I have a query. After we completed the course, like Employee Central, do you help us to conduct the mock interview?
Yes, definitely institute will do.
Okay.
You can
And
give
may I know along with the.
person.
Sorry?
No, you can check with the technology, institute technology persons, all those things.
Okay. And I have another query. Like you said that from EC, from the scratch to the end, you're going to cover. And is that is also their integration part with time management and with PMGM or any other modules?
No, see, integration I cannot cover. Okay, I can give you some overview only. See, normally integration will do by a CPI consultant or BTP consultant or normal API OData. or CAPAM, those integration tools or that module is there, no separate modules. So
But you're
integration
giving the
concept,
overview of it, right?
like our system, our front-end system we are using with our back-end success factor database. That flow I can tell you.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay. So even if we need some assist, like after we join or any organization, can we connect with you people?
Yes, definitely. We will support you.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, that is how many classes I think we will take it that for that
Uh,
session.
this is 40 hours class.
40 hours, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Because why 40 hours is we can complete in 25 hours also, but we have to give
Okay.
each and everything example wise, because 1 hour class will extend 1.5 hours normally when we start.
Okay.
Okay, so
Okay.
it will go at, because in 25
No,
classes,
why I am asking like that? Because I think we have to prepare for that, right? So
yeah,
I think 40 hours means I think we have done another 20 days.
obviously. See, that's why I told to Ari also, you have to
Because
do
they have
regular
mentioned
homework.
45 days. 45 days is not possible because I think another 20 days, I think sometime I think you can go
Sir,
some other office work or some other things will
see,
happen.
all will
So
be
minimum, I think two months we need, right?
correct. 40 hours class, sir. Okay, this is 40 hours means 2 months it will take. Okay, no
Yeah,
Saturday,
correct,
Sunday, only all weekdays only. Every day 1 hour.
correct.
Okay,
Okay.
so if you all people is quickly grabbing all the things, then we can complete in 30 days also or 25 days also.
No,
Suppose
not
who is
needed.
coming from non-background, right? Non-HR background.
Mm,
Someone asked, right? I'm from non-HR background. Then we have to give some example to tell them to understand. Without
okay.
knowing the concept, how they will take it.
Yeah, apparently you can tell that scenario also. What is the scenario
Scenario
which
also
will
I
be
have
like?
to explain. Yes.
Correct. Because one or two scenario you can give, then only we can understand. That's right.
Correct. And I have seen many other like trainings also. Okay, those trainer will complete 25 days at this course. Okay,
25 days.
just
Oh.
25 days only they will complete this course. Okay, they will not, might be they are giving scenario example and all, I don't know. Okay, every day 1 hour class, 25 days they will complete it. But I don't want to do those things because I know everyone has to understand the concept first. Second, scenario basic concept also you have to learn. You have to understand and you have to relate with yourself as an employee, how you will get all the benefit from your company. So these many
Mm.
examples are there. So these things will take time, sir.
Yeah, correct. I think we need the basic concept. Otherwise, I think we cannot understand the concept.
Correct.
Okay, Karthik. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Okay, sir, shall we do quick practice during the weekend? Do we have a server access?
Yes, that you will get it from your
Institute.
institute, sir. Yeah, institute.
Ah,
They will provide.
okay, okay.
So up to class only they will give, right?
Up to class, I will
Yeah.
be.
Okay. After I think we need the practice means they will provide the based on the payment.
That you have to check with them only, sir. The
Okay.
payment
Because
part,
I
Okay.
think after class also we will forget all the things, right?
yeah, definitely. So
Just to
once you get
continue
the
at least 6 months, then only I think we can understand.
that you have to check with them only. I cannot
Okay.
guarantee or I cannot
No,
confirm.
no, no. Just I am asking. That's all.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
So Rupali, Sarvamangala, Nitya, Natarajan, do you have any queries?
Sir, I have one query. We have a assessment part in this training, along with taking the training for the EC. Do you give any assessment for us to do?
Yes, definitely. Every weekend you will have an assessment.
Oh,
The
okay.
first week will be purely a theoretical class only. Okay, you will not do in any instance. Just I can show you the instance, but the first 1 week will be the theoretical classes. So second week onwards, it will be the practical classes. So first week you can be free. Second week onwards, I will give the assessment that you have to do.
Okay.
Karthik,
So
just share
after,
sorry.
yeah, please.
Yeah, share the videos, right? Recording
Institute will
session.
provide you, sir.
Recording.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Institute.
Okay.
So every day recording will be there, and recording will be provided by institute people to you.
Okay. Okay, Karthik. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
We will let you that institute. Okay.
Sure.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you all.
Thank you all.
Thank you.
Good night.
Good night.